Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to set up Dart. First, you will need to download the Dart Software Development Kit, or SDK, directly from the official Dart website. Before downloading, ensure your computer meets the basic system requirements for a smooth installation. There are several installation methods available, so pick the one that best suits your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. This initial step is crucial for a successful development environment. To install the Dart SDK, a package manager like Chocolatey for Windows or Homebrew for Mac OS is highly recommended for its simplicity. If you prefer a manual approach, simply extract the downloaded SDK archive into a directory of your choice. The most critical step is then adding the Dart SDK's bin directory to your system's path environment variable. This allows you to run Dart commands from any terminal window. For an excellent development experience, I recommend using Visual Studio Code as your integrated development environment. Once VS Code is installed, open it and navigate to the extensions view. Search for the official Dart extension and install it with a single click. This extension provides syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging tools, significantly enhancing your productivity. Take a moment to review and adjust any settings to personalize your coding environment. Now, let's create and run your very first Dart program. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new file, naming it Hello World, Dart in your project directory. Inside this file, write a simple main function containing a print statement, for example, print Hello Dart. Save your file, then open your terminal, navigate to your project folder, and execute the program by typing Dart run Hello World. Dart. You should see Hello Dart printed to your console.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.